Hello guys, today we will make boat animation something like this. So let's just start. I have divided the lecture into two parts. In the first part we will make modeling of boat and ocean and the background, and in the second part we will animate the boat. But first I request you, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe and also press the bell icon, and I request you to help me reach 1k. So now just start. First quickly make ocean. Select a plane here, S and 10, and go to the edit mode, subdivide it, and you can subdivide it to like 50. Go to the modifier tab, select a displace modifier. You can also choose ocean modifier, but it will make too heavy, the file make too heavy and very much polygons, so we will make a low poly. Select displacement and new, go to the texture tab, select a cloud texture, and now go to the modifier tab, decrease the strength to 0.3 and also apply the subdivision modifier to it. Now you can see that it is look like our ocean. Shift D and Z, Shift D and Z to make it copy, and now you can just make it into another collection, ocean, and now you can just hide it. And now just quickly make a boat here. Shift A, select a cube and go to the edit and Control R and select these vertices here, delete the vertices, add a mirror modifier here, enable clipping, and now what you have to do, S and Y, scale on the Y and X axis, go to the edit menu tab, just move it into the ocean collection so it will not disturb. And now we will make our boat here. So just quickly make a low poly boat, and you can also make it a subdivision surface on it and make it 3 like this, and just delete the upper face so it will look like our boat here. Now go to the 3 edit menu, Control R and make a edge loop here, vertices select and just move it like this. Also what you can do, you can do this and make it like this, and an edge loop here also in the middle. Go to the 7 upper, and what you can do, you can just do it like this. This is our boat, and for the crease here in the downward, what you can do, you can just move it like this. Now you can see that the crease, and now you have to apply solidify modifier. So we will make our boat thick, something like this. This thickness is enough, I think so, and a little bit down this. Go to the edit menu and select the upper faces, select the upper faces and Shift D and press F to fill and S to scale down this face and just move it a little bit downward, this. And what you can do, you can just make it scale on the x-axis and go to the wireframe mode by clicking Z and select these upper faces, make it a little bit down, something like this. Go to the solid mode, and I think this is looking just fine. And move it also to the ocean. This is looking just fine, and just quickly make some more details to it. Make it a cube here and scale a little bit like this, and make edge loops here, 2 edge loops, one and second one also here, and 2 edge loops here. Now what you have to do, you have to select the center face and I to insect, E to extrude inward, I to insect again a little bit, and E to extrude inward also, like this. And what you can also do, you can just make it another loop here and select these faces, E to extrude a little bit downward, a little up, like this. And now you can also make a circle here, Shift R and go to the vertex select these faces. You have to add a middle face also. Select these vertices now and going to the search menu and to sphere, you can do it like this and make it like sphere and move it outward like this. Move it forward, and this is it. We will add some more details here. First place the 3D cursor here, and now you can add the cube. Just quickly make more detailing of our board and Shift D and move it like this by pressing G and Shift Z, S and Z. Make it some tower by selecting a cylinder here and like this. Go to the edit menu and select the upper face of the cylinder, I to insect and E to extrude, I to insect, E to extrude again, and Shift D and Shift Z to move it only on the X and Y axis. Shift G, Shift Z and S to scale down. So it is looking our So now what you have to do, you can add some more objects here. Type 8 here and 8 here. This is it. And now RX and RY and 90. You can just quickly make this here. We will add 2 more at later. Shift A and select a cylinder. Again make a tower here. Go to the edit menu, select the upper face and I to insect, E to extrude, I to insect, A to extrude, A to extrude, S to scale, A to extrude again, S and Z to make it only on the Z axis, S and shift Z to make it thin like this. So our boat is now ready. What you can do, you can also add some gears. Numbers you can decrease to 4. It will look like this. It is just for modeling purpose. R, Y and 90. And just place it here, G and 1, RY. And you can also make duplicate of it and move it on the Y axis. And also you can move it here, RY 90. So you can just place it here for designing purpose. Shift D and Z. So this is our board. Now we will just make quickly our materials. So go to the material tab, select a material for your board, and we will make it a little bit green here, greenish color. And what you can do, you can also go to the cycles render and you can have a area lamp here. Go to the settings, make it 2000, size to 10, and now you can go to the rendered options. You can see that. And for softer shadows, you can increase the size and increase the strength to 5000 like this, and our boat looking nice. Go to the materials tab and select also material for it. You can color it according to you, what you like. I will just make it a color here for these and make it full metallic, plus down, and select this also and this material color, and you can assign this material to gloss and roughness down to 0. Make it like this. You can do this and assign. You can see that, and we will make this material to an emission shader, like whatever you like, white light or so. I will assign it to value of 4, like this, and this is move it to a little bit here, move it also a little bit here. Quickly just give it materials whatever you like, make it a dark color, I think this color looks better. And for materials for these pipes or towers, you can go with the metallic, roughness down to 0.2, and metallic little bit low, and you can make it this color. And what you can also do, if you don't like the metallic color, you can go with the diffuse color and make it color like this, and assign these also that color. And this is the color you can assign whatever you want. I just assigning it and assign this color also, this to somewhat metallic, roughness down, and which color should we given to it? I think just white is all right. White is like this, and we will just alt and right click, assign it another material. I will assign it to emission and make it a value of 5, and I will give it color, some color, make it red. So this is our board here. Assign this also some color. Give it gray, orange color. Select another material and Control I to select inverse and click on assign, so it will look like our safe jacket. Shift D and Y, and you can just make it a little bit smaller. You can also assign the color of the floor. I will assign it white color like this, and for these materials you can just make it this color, assign them also. So our coloring part is done with this. Now you have to just quickly join them all together. Move it a little bit backward Yes, it is looking very nice. A little bit small. And now what you have to do, you have to just join them all together. Shift D, and on the Y axis now just select them all by Shift and Control J. Shift select this and Control J. Just quickly select all of these things and select this and Control Shift Z and control this off. And first you have to apply the mirror modifier here. You can apply like this. Now what you have to do, you can now just quickly select this and this, Control J. I think we made a mistake here. We first have to apply the mirror modifier and then we have to join them all. So Control Z a few times, apply mirror modifier first. Now you can join all these things, Control J, and I think you have also applied these modifier here. Now select this and Control J, select these, Control J, select this and this, Control J, select these and this, Control J, select this and this, Control J, and now this is our board is ready. Now just name it to ship and hide it. Go to the ocean. I think this is our last object. Control J and just hide for a few moments, and now go to the materials tab for this, and for ocean we will select a glass material and roughness down to 0, and to this we will give it a bluish color and give it a name of ocean and IOR value to 1.33. make this also ocean, make this also ocean, and you can see that our ocean and our boat is ready. What you can do, you can just quickly add 3-point lightning here, but first we will add a plane S and 10, S and 2 for our background. Give it any color. We will give it a sandy color here, a little bit light. So this is it for the first part, and in the next part we will animate the board. And just quickly R and X, set the lighting here. R and Z, make it a 3-point lightning. R and Y, R and X, sorry. Move it to little bit here. And look at the camera. Shift F to go to the fly mode. So this is our board and the ocean. In the next part we will animate the board. And just thanks for watching.